It's beautiful, look at that. Wow. Nice one. We're on Llandudno Pier. Llandudno as the proper pronunciation is, and we've just been up the Great Orme on the tram. Okay. Gotta watch the seagulls because literally minutes before I started recording we were having an ice cream and it's seagull swooped down and pinched Cliff's ice cream. It was funny. This looks amazing. So we're on the actual pier, and there's the little Orme over there. Gorgeous day. Chucked it down this morning, but it's fine, it's great now. Our hotel's somewhere along that way. I couldn't tell you where from here. I think it's that way, maybe. It says Llandudno. Llandudno as you pronounce it. The seagulls think my phone is food. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's the cable cars, which we're not going on.
No chance you get sitting in that.
Absolutely no chance. The tram was good though, going up the Orme, the Great Orme. I enjoyed the tram. You don't realise the height when you're in the tram, that's fine. But the cable cars, I give it a miss. Right, can have a good look around now, so I'm going to finish videoing. Okay, so catch us later. See ya.